Slack has been the go-to tool for team communication for nearly a decade, but in 2025, with so many alternatives like Microsoft Teams, Discord, and Notion Chat, does Slack still hold up? Let's find out. At its core, Slack is a real-time messaging app built for teams and businesses. You create workspaces, split conversations into channels, and send direct messages for private chats. Nothing groundbreaking there. But Slack's strength lies in how simple and flexible everything feels. The interface remains clean, intuitive, and fast. You can easily jump between channels, threads, and shared files without getting lost. Slack just works, and it works well. But what really keeps users loyal are the integrations. Slack connects with over 2,000 apps, from Google Drive to Trello to GitHub. That means your team can stay in one place while automating tasks, sharing updates, or triggering notifications from other tools. In 2025, Slack has also introduced AI-powered summaries, smart message suggestions, and automated workflows. If you miss a busy day, Slack's AI can now recap what happened across your channels, saving time and reducing FOMO. Another huge plus, Slack is cross-platform and extremely stable. Whether you're on desktop, mobile, or browser, the experience is consistent and reliable. Notifications are smart and customizable, so you're not overwhelmed. Now, the downside? Slack can become chaotic for large teams. If channels aren't managed properly, conversations get noisy, important messages are buried, and threads go unanswered. Also, while the free version works well for small teams, message history is limited, and many key features, like group video calls, are locked behind a paywall. So, is Slack still worth it in 2025? If your team values fast, reliable, and flexible communication, it's hard to beat. It's especially ideal for startups, remote teams, and companies that rely heavily on integrations. However, if your organization already uses Microsoft tools, Teams might be a better fit, and if you're part of a creative community, Discord could feel more natural. Bottom line, Slack remains one of the best communication platforms in 2025, as long as your team uses it right. Structure your channels, set guidelines, and take advantage of the automation tools. It's not just chat, it's an entire communication ecosystem.